Alright guys, the video is finally here. I'm showing y'all how to make my 3 top hair growth oils. These oils have proven to be effective, so I'm sharing them with you all. I'm dividing these oils into 3 focus ingredients. And the first one is Jamaican black castor oil based, the second one is essential oil based, and the third one is Ayurvedic oil based. And all of these are amazing and essential for your hair growth. Alright, so y'all know we love Jamaican black castor oil as it is great for your hair growth and scalp care. So if you're looking for something that's going to care for your scalp issues and grow your hair, this is the oil. Alright, so jojoba oil is my carrier oil, so I'm going to be filling the bottle with mostly of that. And then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil, 1 tablespoon of argan oil, and then 1 tablespoon of kukui nut oil. And lastly, for my scalp issues, I'm going to do a couple drops of tea tree oil. Alright, so that's the oil right there. And because I'm making 3 of these, I do want to label them so I'll know which oil is which. Alright, so to apply the oil, I'm just going to part my hair. And to get this oil working and my blood flowing, I'm just going to be using this scalp massager. Y'all, this scalp massager is amazing. I'll actually have it linked below. Actually, I have everything linked below. But yeah, you can change speeds on it. You can charge it. It's not battery operated. You just charge it. And because it's so amazing, I'm actually doing a giveaway with it. And to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is A, be subscribed to us, and B, head on over to the description bar and put your email address, and there's a link. You just click that, put your email address in, and if you want a bonus entry, just share the video to your social medias, and that'll be your bonus entry so that you can have 2 entries into this giveaway. Alright, so along with the Jamaican black castor oil, the other ingredients used are kukui nut oil. And as you guys know from our Polynesian hair growth video, kukui nut oil is good for strengthening the hair and moisturizing the scalp and preventing dandruff. Argan oil and jojoba oil are not only moisturizing oils, but both are high in vitamin E while also promoting hair growth. And then of course you have our favorite, tea tree oil, which is great for scalp issues, especially if you are experiencing itching. Alright, moving right along to the essential oils, hair growth oil. Now this is a pure hair growth oil because the 4 essential oils we're using are the top essential oils for hair growth. Alright, so grapeseed oil is my carrier oil because you have to dilute essential oils. Then I'm doing 10 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of rosemary oil, 10 drops of clary sage oil, and 10 drops of peppermint oil. Alright, so the smell of this hair growth oil is very herbal-like, but it's not too overpowering. So I'm just going to massage that in. And the peppermint oil is good for blood circulation and hair growth. The lavender and clary sage is the same, good with blood circulation to the scalp. Rosemary, which also helps stimulate hair growth. It's also great for thickening the hair. Alright, and lastly we have Ayurvedic oils, and many Indian women swear by these oils and they have the hair link to prove it. So we're going to start with 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of neem oil, 2 tablespoons of amla brahmi oil, and 2 tablespoons of bhringraj oil. So with amla oil, while it's also promoting hair growth, it is also high in vitamin C and antioxidants. Brahmi oil is good for strengthening your hair and also for conditioning your hair. And bhringraj oil is the expert oil in experiencing hair loss in certain areas. So if you're balding near your hairline, this is for you. And neem oil is the oil for hair growth and scalp health, along with sesame oil, which is rich in B vitamins, so it has a bit of protein in the hair to strengthen your hair from the roots. Alright guys, so that's it for our 3 hair growth oils. Jamaican black castor oil, essential oils, and Ayurvedic oils. Now with these oils, a lot of people ask, when do we use them? For us, because we don't wash our hair that often, we only wash our hair once a month, we actually use like the oils and massaging them in like around the 3rd week hair, in the 3rd week, and definitely into the 4th week. And then we get our hair washed in the 4th week. But yeah, in the 3rd week, 4th week is when we start massaging, putting in oils in our scalp and everything, and scalp care. Also, these oils are good if you want to kind of do them like a pre-poo treatment. If you want to, you know, massage them in and then wash them out later, that's perfectly fine, especially because of the smell. But yeah, leaving them in is perfectly fine. It works for me. It just helps treat my scalp and everything. But I am getting my hair washed soon, so again, that's why I do it in a 3rd week, 4th week. Also, make sure to enter the giveaway. Link will be down below. Just enter your email address in, and for a bonus entry, share the video, share it on your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I do have a way to keep track of that. So yeah, if you want 2 entries, email address, and share the video. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. We love you guys so much. And if this is your first time watching this video, you're probably wondering, why is she saying we? Well, I do have a twin sister. She joins me on the channel as well. We usually make videos together. Sometimes we make them separate. So there's 2 of us. Join the family below if you want to join in on the hair care fun. And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. Love you guys. Bye.